The legendary Nokia is back once again, and this time it's redefining what a flagship smartphone should be. Meet the 2027 Nokia 10 Pro 5G, a perfect blend of futuristic design, powerful performance, and classic Nokia reliability. Starting with the design, the Nokia 10 Pro 5G looks absolutely stunning. It features a sleek, ultra-slim body with a premium glass and aerospace-grade aluminum frame. The curved edge-to-edge display gives it a modern flagship feel, while maintaining Nokia's signature durability. This is a phone that not only looks luxurious, but is built to last. Now let's talk about the display. The device boasts a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or scrolling through social media, everything feels incredibly smooth and vibrant. The colors are rich, blacks are deep, and brightness levels make it easy to use even under direct sunlight. Performance is where the Nokia 10 Pro truly shines. Powered by the latest flagship processor and paired with up to 16 GB RAM, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. From heavy gaming to multitasking, the experience is seamless and lag-free. Combined with 5G connectivity, you get lightning-fast download speeds and ultra-low latency. When it comes to the camera, Nokia has stepped up its game. The Nokia 10 Pro 5G features a 200-megapixel primary sensor, supported by ultra-wide, telephoto, and macro lenses. The photos are incredibly detailed, with natural colors and excellent dynamic range. Night photography is also impressive thanks to advanced AI processing. On the front, you get a high-resolution selfie camera that's perfect for content creators and vloggers. Battery life is another strong point. The phone packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day or even more on heavy usage. It also supports ultra-fast charging and wireless charging, so you're never out of power for long. Software-wise, the Nokia 10 Pro runs on a clean and optimized Android experience. No unnecessary bloatware, just smooth performance and regular updates, something Nokia is well known for. Security and additional features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, IP68 water resistance, and advanced cooling for gaming. So, is the Nokia 10 Pro 5G worth it? Absolutely. It combines cutting-edge technology with Nokia's trusted build quality, making it one of the most exciting smartphones of 2027. If you're looking for a flagship that delivers in every department, design, performance, camera, and battery, this might just be your next smartphone.